Congrats! You made it to part 12 of our HVAKR tutorial, dry side design. Right now, the dry side design or the duct design feature is currently in its beta stage, but I'm gonna show you a little sneak preview into how it's gonna work. Over here, you'll have an equipment palette, and you'll start by dropping in your supply, return, and exhaust registers. Then you'll proceed with dropping in terminal units and central units. Following that, you'll connect the dots with single lines indicating ductwork. Now what's going to happen is once your ductwork is laid out, HVAKR will automatically sum up your airflows and calculate your duct sizing based on your duct design requirements. What's cool about this is after you've done your loads and gotten your CFMs, you'll be able to size your ductwork very quickly. But most importantly, if you have to go back and make changes, your loads will update and your duct design will update automatically. For example, if you've already completed your entire design and the architect changes a bunch of windows or changes some wall properties, you can go back and make that change at the source, and not only will your loads update, but your CFMs will update and your duct sizing and design will update as well. Very excited about this. Please stay tuned for more updates with HVAKR, and if you ever want to know more about HVAKR, go to hvakr.com or shoot me an email at davis@hvakr.com.